scandal dread. Mankind better go to bed and stop firing limbo. You're gonna feel it in the head. I want you. Anywhere you go, not you. Eating them super rasta. Analyze, you must fight. Them does a scandal of the dreadlocks. Them does a susu on the dreadlocks. You go downtown, them a chat about the dread. You go uptown, them does a speak of the dread. Them does a act like. Them does a act like. Them does a act like. You act like, you act like. Them does a fight against the naughty dread. Them does a fight against the naughty dread. Speak. Chatting up your mouth and if you want a little talk. But little louder that me say this talk is the short. It is a scandal, the dreadlock. It is a fight down the dreadlock. See about the dreadlock, booty lean. About the dreadlock, stand look tear. Come on, have a share, you know. He's the same kind of man. Alright, they don't understand. Yeah, alright. If the man have a style and if the man have a pride, the man have a style and if the man have a pride. No susu for the dreadlocks name. Me say no susu for the dreadlocks name. Down the lane, no susu for the dreadlocks name. You just a jump and go and a feel it all about. I talk about the dreadlocks name. You just a talk about the dreadlocks name. Well, every man have integrity and every man have ability. With a pity so far I know them right, you know. No fight against the dreadlocks. Me say no fight down the dreadlocks. See the man is a man, so you got to understand. The man is a man, you got to overstand. Me say no fight against the dreadlocks. See no fight against the dreadlocks. But everywhere you go, you just a talk about dread. You just a talk about them, just a talk. You talk about the dreadlocks of the jungle. Man, you just a talk about the dread, but the macron. Man, no fight against the dreadlocks. No fight down the dreadlocks.